Hey everyone, Mr. Sujano here. It looks like Seimitsu is going to be releasing a very limited edition joystick. Let's get started. Alright, to kick things off, it is Seimitsu's 40th anniversary, and in celebration of that anniversary, they are releasing a limited edition stick. On October 12th, Seimitsu released a teaser image of what the joystick will look like. And then on October 15th, Seimitsu tweeted a better image of their new joystick. And then today, October 19th, Seimitsu tweeted what the final package is going to look like. So here is a closer look at what exactly is in the package. Right away, I can see that there are 3 different shaft lengths. I'm going to guess that there are 4 different shafts in total because one looks like it's already installed, and they look to be gold plated, which seems fairly unique. It also looks like there will be 2 different springs included. There is one here, and I'm guessing that there's also one installed. The faceplate on the Seimitsu is also very unique. It is a 40th anniversary branded green faceplate, and the ball top here is just a standard white ball top. It looks like it anyway. And I think that is a bit of a miss. I would have liked to have seen them put some sort of specific branding right here on the ball top. I mean, they're going with gold-plated levers. They're going with a custom faceplate right here. Why not just complete the set by having a custom ball as well? And for those of you wondering what model of joystick it's going to be, it will be an LS-32, a highly customizable LS-32 at that, for 5478 yen, or about $52 American. Now, a few things to note about what we just went over. First and foremost, apparently these are prototype images, so the final product might look a little different. Maybe the coloring is a little different, maybe the graphics are a little different. Now, earlier on, I mentioned that the ball top looked like a standard white ball top without any sort of 40th anniversary logo on it, but it says right here in the description, lever ball with 40th anniversary logo. This page is translated from Japanese to English, so I'm not necessarily sure on the overall accuracy, but at the same time, it would be awesome if it did have that anniversary logo on it. So that would be a huge thumbs up. And it does say specifications and contents are subject to change. So everything we've just went over might change. So the price of the 40th anniversary joystick listed on the Seimitsu site is $52. This is a little higher than the standard price of a Seimitsu LS-32, which goes for less than half the price at $24. Even when you factor in 3 different shafts, and I'll just factor in 3 here at $4.95, the overall price for 3 shafts as well as the joystick works out to about $38. So realistically, you are paying a $14 premium to get a special edition joystick. I don't know how many of these will be made, but it looks like 500 of them will be shipped out on November 20th, with the rest of the sales starting on November 28th. Now, as to whether or not it's worth the $14 premium, I will say yes and no. First and foremost, if you just are looking for an LS-32, you're going to mount it in your Fightstick, you're not going to be able to see it at all. Just pick up an LS-32. You'll save quite a bit of money. On the other hand, if you're a collector or you like to tinker around with your joystick, have something very unique, have 3 different shafts here that are probably pretty unique, then yes, I think it's absolutely worth it. I personally think that this is a really cool collector piece and something that I wouldn't want to mount into a Fightstick. To me, this is more of a display piece than an actual functional joystick. I mean, it is a fully functional joystick, and if you wanted to use it into a Fightstick, you absolutely could. There's really nothing stopping you there. Good luck replacing it though if something bad were to happen to it. That is all I've got for today. Let me know in the comments below if you plan on picking one of these up, if you like the looks, if you don't like the looks, and if you plan on displaying it or plan on using it. If you like this video, leave a like. If you didn't like this video, leave a like. Hit that subscribe button, check out my other videos. Thank you everyone, take care.